us to really have our number one address, which is 12 Place Vendôme, as really the address where everything is, where you connect clients, culture, craftsmanship in one place, and really show what we have as the most beautiful thing for Chaumet. It's after the Monaco exhibition we did last summer, a beautiful exhibition, many pieces coming from all over the world, particularly tiaras. And one tiara was really a sort of novel by itself. It was like a book. In fact, it's about a tiara, the Mountbatten tiara. In fact, this tiara originally was a special order by a beautiful lady in England. And after a few years, for a reason that I don't know, she decides to sell the piece. And she goes through another jeweler, because at that time, pieces were not engraved, and you could sell jewelry through any maison. And the day she gives this piece for selling to this colleague, the piece is put in a box of that maison, not a Chaumet one. So, very simply, it becomes a piece not from Chaumet, but from that maison. Then Lady Mountbatten, a few years later, buy that piece to that maison as a piece of that maison. And this piece has some Indian theme. A few years later, she becomes the last queen of India. This tiara somehow is like the crown, the last crown for India. And through the works we have done with our curators for Monaco, we have rediscovered the reality of that piece, which is a Chaumet piece. This year we celebrate our 240th years anniversary, which is quite unique. So this is a very old maison. And I think it proves that throughout the years and decades, Chaumet has an incredible capacity of creativity, reinventing itself. Be not only in the continuity of his history, but also being able to adapt his style, his creations to the different periods. So the longevity, I think, is a characteristic. Second, I think in Chaumet, what is particularly unique, I think, is the style of Chaumet. Chaumet has never been a maison for people who want to show off something. It's not a maison who has been elected by clients who had to demonstrate anything. So the fight for Chaumet, to some extent, has never been the weight. It has always been a question of how much it can be light, but with a presence brought by virtuosity, a sort of suspension, a sort of miracle, and presence by the meaning, the symbol behind the beauty. So I think this is really a characteristic of Chaumet. First, of course, the region for us is absolutely one of our future. Because I think to be successful, seen and worn in this region by those beautiful women, it's very important because they know everything. They know all the brands. So the day you become elected by them, it means that you are on the good way. So for me, it's one of the most difficult regions in order really to be selected, to be elected. So with all the teams, we always say, if we are more success, if we have more friends in the region, it means that probably we work not too badly. That's very important, because at the end, it's not what we think that is important. It's what the public, the way they consider Chaumet, that is important. And the region is, I think, one of the most difficult ones in terms of the quality of the choice. So for us, it becomes an obsession in the good way. I have a feeling also that more and more in this region, more and more women in this region understand also Chaumet. So they understand more, they go a little bit more in the depth. So it means that the style of Chaumet, that is not easy, because this sort of fragility, this sort of miracle, this lightness, you have to understand. Because sometimes you want to show more, or sometimes it's worn by everybody. So you consider that if you wear the same thing as all the other people, it means something. But maybe it's exactly the contrary. The contrary is that you have a choice of distinctions which sign you even more, and it's coming in the region. So for me, that's great. Voilà. So we are super excited. And in the region, I must say that among the different anecdotes, probably what I like the most and where I feel that Chaumet is particularly beautiful, when it comes to weddings. If you are selected first, elected, we feel happy. But if we are elected for the most important day of your life, that's what is a wedding. Then it's a gift. So each time we see beautiful pictures of beautiful ladies, beautiful women wearing Chaumet for the day, everything is said. We have some important openings in the months to come, typically in this region, in Abu Dhabi very soon. We will renovate our store, expand our store, and I think really bring the duo Chaumet as it should. So for us, it's very exciting, and we know how much Abu Dhabi is really a place of culture, so we are very happy. So after Dubai, Abu Dhabi, voilà. So we continue to expand. Before summer, we will reopen our address in London, in New Bond Street, which is also very important, because we know that those locations are very important for our clients, because they travel a lot. So we continue our network. It's not a secret, but I will keep the theme as a secret, but of course in July, for the Couture Week, we will display here and reveal our new thematic high jewelry collection. And it's going to be, believe me, absolutely spectacular. Honestly, that's why I'm so confident for the future, and that's why I feel so much that's a fantastic region for us. I see them, I honestly feel them, very grace and character. I think there is absolutely a connection, and they are really at the forefront of a modernity, which for me is very inspiring. And I think very much connected with our Josephine. So I find many common points. So that's why I feel that, voilà, there is something very special between those women, that region, and Chaumet.